Hi, I'm Mike Kelly, Bayer Area Sales Manager here in Minnesota to discuss the many benefits of using Merit and how to correctly apply it for the control of emerald ash borer and other invasive pests. Merit Insecticide has long been the leader in grub control, and for a good reason. While a lot of our competitors that tout their products are tough on grubs, we like to let our research do the talking. In over 20 years of university trials, Merit has consistently performed when it comes to efficacy on a variety of damaging grub species. Merit 75 WSP and 2F insecticide can be used by soil application as directed on trees, shrubs, flowers, and ground covers in and around the perimeter of industrial and commercial buildings, residential areas, interior plantscapes, municipal, city, state, and national forested areas, and private wooded areas. A new label has been approved which will allow you to increase the rate usage of Merit on trees greater than 15 dBH. The 2X rate can be used for the following pests on trees greater than 15 dBH. Emerald ash borer, bronze birch borer, Asian longhorn beetle, eucalyptus longhorn borer, and odler borer. Now we'll be ready to measure dBH. All you need to do is come up to the tree and just figure at chest height is where you want to start your measurement. We'll put our tape measure in, and forestry companies actually have a tape where you can go and buy it and it'll come up with the automatic dBH, but we're going to do it. We'll walk all the way around the tree, have the tape even, and we come up with 5 feet 2 inches, so 62 inches. And from that point, we'll divide 62 by 3.14, which gives us our dBH. For example, the circumference of this tree was 62 inches. Our diameter, 62 divided by 3.14, which gives us 19.74 dBH. Now let's move on to site preparation. If you have any type of bark mulch or weed liner, you're going to need to remove those and have them pulled back to at least 36 inches around the base of your tree. From there, I like to check for soil moisture. If it makes a ribbon, then your moisture is pretty good. If it doesn't make a ribbon and you feel that the moisture is too dry, you may want to add 5 gallons of water around the base of the tree so that you can get adequate moisture. The soil drench method is used to effectively saturate the soil through to the roots. You will need at least a 5-gallon mixing bucket and a water source along with Merit product 2F or 75 water-soluble packets. Now that we're ready to do our mixing, make sure that you have your safety gear. Gloves, eye protection, long sleeve shirt, pants, closed-toed shoes, and socks. We're going to take one of our packets of our 75 WSP, put it in our bucket, grab our water. I always like to take 2.5 gallons and pour that in first, and we'll slurry it, break down our packet. So there's our 2 gallons of water, 2.5 gallons. I'll take my dowel and go ahead and puncture the packet. That's the best way to do it. Start slurrying it around. Everything will break down real well. All right, now I'm ready for the rest of my water. Mixes up real nice. Now we're ready to mix our Merit 2F. And what I like to do first is I'll pour in 2.5 gallons of water into our bucket. Because with that 2F, it'll break down a lot quicker if you have the water in there first. Okay, now that we have our 2.5 gallons of water in there, we'll close this up. And now we'll measure out our Merit 2F. Okay, we'll go ahead and pour that in. And it's always wise to go ahead and do your triple rinse now. Since it's such a small amount, the triple rinse will be good. There's 2. And here is 3. We'll do some more slurry and mixing. That's mixing up real good. Just a couple times is all you need. And then let's go ahead and finish putting in the rest of our water. That'll bring us up to a total of 5 gallons. There's the rest of our water. Then I like to go ahead and just mix it up a little bit more one more time. You don't have to mix it up too much. Should be good to go. Now that everything's all mixed up, we're ready to do our application to our tree. Once the entire product is placed in solution and the area around the tree base is clear, it is time to apply Merit to the tree. Begin the drenching process by pouring a steady flow, walking slowly around the entire circumference of the tree until all the solution is used. After the solution has percolated into the soil, the liner and mulch may be replaced. Now our application is complete. For more information on Merit or other Bayer products, consult your local Bayer rep or go to backbybayer.com.